Welcome to Sec Math Academy. In this lesson we are going to see square root of 8 plus I15. Square root of 8 plus I15. For any sum to find the square root, what we have to do? Just to square it. Now suppose for z equal to 8 plus I root 15. 8 plus square root of 8 plus I root 15. Square it. Simple. Z squared is equal to 8 plus I15. Okay? But we want square root of 8 plus I15 only. Z is equal to x plus Iy. Let Z squared, what will happen? X plus Iy whole square. What is x plus Iy whole square? X squared plus I squared y squared plus I 2xy. X squared minus y squared plus I 2xy. A squared minus b squared plus 2ab. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Okay. Compare. X squared minus y squared is 8. 2xy is 15. There are two ways we can do it. X squared minus y squared is 8. 2xy is 15. Okay. The simple way is, consider x squared is a and y squared is b. A minus b is 8 means a plus b, what is the value? Okay, if you find x squared plus y squared, if you add these two, then y squared will be cancelled, then you will get the x value. You can substitute into xy and you will get the y values. Okay, now our question is how to find x squared plus y squared from the x squared minus y squared. This looks like a minus b. This looks like a plus b. Okay. We know one formula. A plus b whole squared is, what is a plus b whole squared? A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. A minus b whole squared plus 4ab. Because a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab plus 4ab is plus 2ab. This you apply here. X squared plus y squared is whole square. This is a plus b whole squared is a minus b whole square plus 4 ab. A is x squared, b is y squared. Got it? When we are given x squared minus y squared is 8, 2xy is equal to 15. If you are able to find x squared plus y squared, we can simply eliminate y values. For that reason we are doing x squared plus y squared whole square is equal to x squared minus y squared whole square plus 4x squared y squared. Okay, this is nothing but 2xy whole square. This is nothing but 2xy whole square. Okay. Now, what is this value? X squared plus y squared whole square is, x squared minus y squared is 8. 8 square plus, this is nothing but 2xy whole square. 15 square. 64 plus 225, 189. So x squared plus y squared is 17. 289. 289 is 225, 289. Yes, it is plus 17. X squared plus y squared is plus or minus. X squared plus y squared is 17. Okay. Now find that value. Compare x squared minus y squared equal to 8. x squared plus y squared is 17. 17 square is 289. Okay, add it. 2x squared is equal to 25. X squared equal to 25 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 5 by root 2. X squared equal to 25 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. 5 by root 2. Copy down until now. Z is equal to square root of 8 plus I15. We are squaring on both sides. Z squared is equal to 8 plus I15. Square root cancelled. Z is equal to x plus Iy. So Z squared is x plus Iy whole square. Just then we are expanding. X squared minus y squared plus I2xy. Comparing the real part and the real part. Here x squared minus y squared is the real part. Here 8 is the real part. X squared minus y squared equal to 8. Imaginary part 2xy with 15. Okay. Then it is a quadratic equation. Instead of to simply solve, instead of x squared plus y squared we are finding. Instead of solving quadratic equation, we are simply finding x squared plus y squared. How to find the x squared plus y squared value? X squared plus y squared whole squared is x squared minus y squared whole squared plus 4x squared y squared. 4x squared y squared is nothing but 2xy whole squared. Just to substitute the values, 8 squared plus 15 squared is equal to 64 plus 225, 289. X squared plus y squared whole squared is 289. X squared plus y squared is 17. Okay, now compare it. X squared minus y squared will be 8. X squared plus y squared equal to 17. Cancel y squared. 2x squared equal to 25. When you add, y squared will be cancelled. X squared equal to 25 by 2. X is equal to plus or minus 5 by root 2. Okay. X is equal to plus or minus 5 by root 2. What is y? 2xy is equal to 15. Okay. Y is equal to 15 by 2x. Okay, there are two values. First, if it is 5 by root 2, y is equal to 15 by 5 by root 2. It will be 15 root 2 by 5. 2x is there. Okay. Okay. So 2 times 5. So 15 over 10 is 3 by 2 root 2. Or 3 by root 2. This is the y value. When you substitute 5 by root 2, you got 3 by root 2. When you substitute minus 5 by root 2, you will get minus 3 by root 2 value. Okay, so the values are 5 by root 2 plus I, 3 by root 2, 5 minus 5 by root 2 minus I, 3 by root. Got it? Another way to solve it, okay? I solved without quadratic equation. Now with the quadratic equation we will do it. Now we will solve in quadratic method. Okay? X squared minus y squared equal to 8. 2xy is equal to 15. Okay, y is equal to 15 over 2x y squared is equal to 225 over 4x squared. Okay, now we can substitute, instead of y squared, we can substitute this value. So what will happen? X squared minus 225 by 4x squared is equal to 8. Copy down until now. Then we are going to multiply with 4x squared, the whole equation. So what will happen? 4x power 4 minus 225, 32x squared. Okay. Let the x squared will be t. So 4t squared minus 225 is equal to 32t. 4t squared minus 32t minus 225 is equal to 0. We cannot factorize because when we multiply minus 900, when we add minus 32, there is no such two numbers will give minus 900 by multiplication, will give minus 32 while adding. Okay, so only way is formula. Minus b is plus 32 minus b plus or minus b square. B square is what? 1024. 32 is 2 power 5. That means 2 power 10 is 1024. Minus 4. A is 4. C is minus 225. 4 into 225, 800, 900. Minus 900, this will be plus 900. Okay, divided by 2a is 8. Okay, plus 32, not okay, it is 32 plus or minus, it is 3600, 4624 divided by 8. Okay, 46 more plus 1024, 4624. Okay, now find the value 4624. Find the square root values. Calculator. Until now, copy down. It is 68. So I forgot, I know that value. 32 plus or minus 68 over 8. Plus 68 means 100 by 8. Minus 68 means minus 36 over 8. This is the t value. So what is the x value? I hope you copied down this one already. X squared is 100 over 8. So x is equal to plus or minus 10 by 2 root 2 plus or minus 5 root 2. For this case, x is equal to this cannot be done because it is a square root, cannot be negative number. So this is the one we already found in our previous method, plus or minus 5 root 2. Here x squared cannot be minus 36 over 8. Okay, we can solve in two methods to find out. Always a squared minus b squared, anything a minus b is there, it is nothing but a minus b whole squared is equal to a plus b whole squared plus sorry a okay cut பண்ணு நான் edit பண்ணிடுறேன்